Very interesting short story in the Financial Times. How high are OpenAI's computing costs? Possibly a lot higher than we thought. Tech blogger Ed Zitron has an interesting post about OpenAI's cash burn. The gist is that OpenAI's running costs may be a lot more than previously thought, and that its main backer, Microsoft, is doing very nicely out of their revenue share agreement. The post cites data purportedly showing OpenAI's Inference spend on Microsoft's Azure web hosting platform. Inference is the process by which applications such as ChatGPT call on LLMs to generate responses. And they have a graph that shows about $3.5 billion of spend on computing cost in the third quarter, 3 months of 2025 alone. The above is understood to be inference only, not the more intensive task of model training. In short, though we've been unable to verify the data accuracy, we've been given no reason to doubt it substantially either. Taking everything at face value, the figures appear to show a disconnect between what's reported on OpenAI's finances and the running costs that are going through Microsoft's books. For example, in the first 6 months of 2025, OpenAI appears to have spent close to $5 billion just on inference. Its cash burn over the same period was reported to be $2.5 billion on revenue of $4.3 billion. That means they spent a total of $6.8 billion of cash in the quarter, combined of revenue and investment burn. As well as being due 20% of OpenAI's revenue, according to reports, Microsoft gives OpenAI a 20% cut of certain Azure and Bing revenues. OpenAI appears to have spent more than $12.4 billion at Azure on inference compute alone in the last 7 quarters. That's 2024 to now. Its implied revenue for the period was a minimum of $6.8 billion. This gap is a lot more than previously reported. So they basically say this is bad.